Here what you need is spring onion, leaves, minced leaf, green bean, ginger, garlic and onion, and also chicken stock. I also have here minced meat and egg, and of course the butter. And here the butter is off, so I need another butter. Melt the butter, and then here I add the garlic, big onion and ginger and mix together. I have the minced beef. We're gonna to add this to the butter. And add the green beans. Add the pepper, black pepper, chicken stock, and also the paprika powder. And here I have a light sauce, salt, and stir, mix together. Secret recipe, and this is the Indonesian sweet sauce. So here I have something from my garden, so I use the minced leaf and also spring onion to add to the meat. Here I have 3 eggs. Here some light sauce, some salt, some pepper of course, some water, some oil in the pan.
Ini beefnya, daging sapi cincangnya, ini telur dadarnya. Nanti ini bakalan kita kasih di sini.
Add the meat to the egg. It's just a simple recipe, guys. You can do it. Yeah, it's not so tidy, but it's okay. The quick sauce, I'm using the sweet sauce. This one is not so hot because this is for my husband and the kid, so he don't need to eat the chili a lot. Here I also have some sweet sauce, tomato sauce, light sauce, and if you have the lime you can add the lime, and because I don't have, so I skip. And this is the sauce. Idea is okay guys because I'm in rush like always. I don't have patience to cook actually, but I have to cook. So here is our dinner and here is the sauce. This is for my husband. This is our dinner and hope you like this recipe and give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and if you like, just try to make it at home yourself and share with your friend, family, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. And this is for my kid. See you guys.